Active Track, DJI's name for its subject tracking mode, can be used for people, animals and vehicles and will now allow the drone to follow from behind, in front or alongside a subject as well as circle one. Selfie fans will appreciate the new gesture mode, which lets you use hand motions to get the camera to focus on you and snap a photo. The tracking isn't foolproof, but it's the best you're going to find on a consumer drone of any size at the moment. DJI managed to not only retain the Phantom 4's obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight capabilities, but updated them for the Mavic Pro. It can sense objects in front of it up to 49 feet, 15 m, away while traveling at up to 22 miles per hour, 36 kph, while optical sensors on its belly help it fly indoors and keep it from hitting the ground even on a slope. In fact, a new terrain follow mode keeps it at the same height even if you head up a steep slope. The drone has a top regular speed of 24 miles per hour, 38.5 kph, but has a sport mode which will let you take it up to 40 miles per hour, 64.8 kph. There's a tripod mode, too, that takes your top speed down to 2.2 miles per hour, 3.6 kph, so it's easier to get the drone into the right position for photos and video or simply make it easier to navigate in tight areas and indoors. If all of that's not enough, the Mavic Pro has a new precision landing system that uses the video and GPS information captured at takeoff to guide it back to land within an inch of where you launched from. I'm not sure if it was actually within an inch when I used it, but it was close enough and truly remarkable to see it guide itself in and land on nearly the same spot it took off from.